अक्टूबर 27, 2022. Elon Musk walks into Twitter headquarters carrying a kitchen sink. The world's richest man just spent $44 billion on a social media platform experts said was worth maybe $25 billion. Within 12 months, that valuation would crater to just $9 billion. The biggest tech acquisition in history had become the most expensive mistake in business. Except it wasn't. By April 2025, through a series of moves so unexpected that Wall Street analysts are still trying to understand what happened, that dying social media company would become the centerpiece of a combined entity worth over $100 billion. This is the story of how Elon Musk turned the worst deal in tech history into one of the greatest financial recoveries ever witnessed. When Elon Musk completed his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter in October 2022, he didn't just buy a company. He inherited a financial time bomb. The deal was financed with $13 billion in debt that Twitter itself would have to pay back. That meant annual interest payments of over $1 billion for a company that had never consistently turned a profit. Wall Street called it financial suicide. They had no idea how right and how wrong they'd be. The chaos started immediately. Within weeks of taking over, Musk fired approximately 6,500 employees, slashing Twitter's workforce by roughly 80%. Entire departments disappeared overnight. The content moderation team decimated. Engineering divisions gutted. Executives who would build Twitter over a decade gone in a single day. Advertising partners panicked. Major brands including GM, Pfizer, Volkswagen, and dozens of Fortune 500 companies pulled their ad spending. Twitter's primary revenue source was evaporating in real time. By November 2022, advertising revenue had dropped by over 40%. Elon was bleeding money at a catastrophic rate. But the real damage was just beginning. In July 2023, Meta launched Threads, a direct Twitter competitor that gained 100 million users in less than a week. It was the fastest growing app in history, and it existed for one reason: to capitalize on Twitter's collapse. Users were fleeing. Advertisers were gone. Competitors were circling. And Musk was about to make his most controversial move yet. On 23 July 2023, Twitter died. Not metaphorically. Literally. Elon Musk killed the Twitter brand and replaced it with a single letter, X, the iconic bluebird logo that had represented the platform for 17 years vanished overnight. The rebrand was universally panned. Marketing experts called it brand suicide. You don't destroy 17 years of brand equity for a letter. But Musk wasn't thinking about Twitter anymore. He was thinking about something much bigger. By late 2023, internal valuations showed X was worth approximately $9 billion. Musk had destroyed $35 billion in value in just over a year. Investors who would back him in the acquisition were sitting on catastrophic losses. Fidelity marked down its stake by nearly 80%. It was officially the worst leveraged buyout in modern history. Then something shifted. While X was collapsing, Musk had quietly been building something else, XAI. Founded in July 2023, just as Twitter was rebranding to X, XAI was Musk's answer to OpenAI. The mission was simple: build artificial intelligence that could compete with ChatGPT. In May 2024, XAI raised $6 billion in Series B funding at a $24 billion valuation. By October 2024, that valuation had doubled to $50 billion. Investors were pouring money into XAI at a pace that made even Silicon Valley veterans dizzy. And that's when Musk revealed his actual plan. In early 2025, Musk announced that xAI would acquire X in an all-stock deal. Not a cash purchase. An all-stock merger. X was valued at $33 billion for the transaction, excluding its $12 billion in debt. This was critical. Investors who would watched their Twitter investment crater were suddenly holding equity in an AI company valued at $80 billion. Without raising a single additional dollar, xAI's valuation had jumped from 50 billion to 80 billion based purely on the strategic value of combining xAI's user data with xAI's artificial intelligence capabilities. The combined entity, xAI Holdings, was suddenly worth over $100 billion. Wall Street had missed the entire strategy. X was never meant to be a social media company. It was a data collection engine for training artificial intelligence. Every tweet, every interaction, every piece of user behavior was feeding xAI's language models. While competitors like OpenAI had to scrape the internet for training data, xAI had real-time access to hundreds of millions of users generating billions of data points daily. The business model transformation was equally stunning. X had shifted from 90% advertising revenue to a diversified model. Subscription services through X Premium were generating steady income. API access for AI companies provided high-margin revenue. And the integration with xAI created entirely new business lines around artificial intelligence products. By April 2025, the banks that had financed Musk's original $44 billion acquisition finally sold the last of their debt holdings at approximately 98 cents on the dollar. This was remarkable. Debt that had been trading at 60 cents during xAI's darkest days had nearly returned to par value. The financial markets were signaling something crucial. This wasn't a failing company anymore. Political timing played an unexpected role. Musk's relationship with President Trump, strengthened through the 2024 election, created regulatory tailwinds for both X and xAI. Concerns about AI regulation that might have hampered xAI's growth were suddenly less threatening. Government contracts and partnerships became realistic possibilities. Morgan Stanley, the same bank that had helped finance the original Twitter acquisition, valued X at $44 billion in early 2025, exactly what Musk had paid. The analysts who would called him crazy were suddenly calling him visionary. From $44 billion to $9 billion to $100 billion plus in just over 2 years. It's the most dramatic valuation roller coaster in business history. Musk had turned what looked like the worst acquisition in tech into a strategic masterstroke by playing a completely different game than anyone realized. He wasn't saving Twitter. He was building the data infrastructure for the AI revolution. And he was willing to lose $35 billion on paper to get there. If you want more stories about the deals that changed business forever, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because in business, the worst decisions sometimes become the best ones if you are playing a game nobody else can see.